Everything you need to know about the upcoming BUMS Airdrop in 2025. In the rapidly evolving world of crypto gaming, few games have captured the attention and enthusiasm of the community like BUMS. This quirky, tap-based minigame hosted on Telegram has quickly become a favorite among players who enjoy both casual gaming and the opportunity to earn real cryptocurrency. With the highly anticipated BUMS Airdrop scheduled for the first quarter of 2025, the excitement surrounding the game is reaching new heights. This comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about BUMS, from gameplay mechanics and unique features to airdrop details, token listings, and tips on how to make the most of this opportunity. What is BUMS? BUMS is an innovative play-to-earn mobile minigame that combines lighthearted humor with real-world crypto rewards. The game invites players to take on the role of a homeless character and climb their way up from the streets, starting with nothing more than a cardboard box. By tapping on the screen, players earn points and collect in-game currency, which can be used to unlock upgrades, new items, and progress through various stages of urban development. Despite its comedic and slightly absurd theme, BUMS offers a surprisingly engaging gameplay experience. The satirical journey from bums to riches has resonated with millions of players around the globe, many of whom are drawn to the game's casual mechanics and the potential to earn real crypto rewards through consistent play and community involvement. Key features that make BUMS stand out. 1. Play-to-earn mechanics. At the core of BUMS is its play-to-earn model. By participating actively, tapping to earn points, unlocking items, completing challenges, and referring new players, gamers can accumulate points that are convertible into cryptocurrency. This system offers an accessible and entertaining way for players to earn crypto rewards without the need for technical knowledge or investment. 2. Daily challenges and upgrades. BUMS is more than just a tap-and-go game. Players are encouraged to return daily to complete time-limited challenges, which yield bonus rewards. As players progress, they unlock a variety of quirky upgrades and hilarious items that make the gameplay more enjoyable and visually entertaining. This reward system promotes consistent engagement and offers strategic layers for more dedicated users. 3. Strong community engagement. BUMS emphasizes social interaction as a key element of its gameplay. Players can invite friends to join, form alliances, and participate in leaderboards. Referral bonuses and social mechanics ensure that players who help grow the community are rewarded, creating a viral loop that has significantly contributed to the game's success on Telegram. 4. Humorous and relatable theme. The game's unique theme, focusing on a comedic interpretation of urban survival, makes BUMS stand out in a crowded play-to-earn market. Its playful tone and lighthearted graphics appeal to a wide range of players, from crypto enthusiasts to casual gamers looking for something new and fun. The BUMS Airdrop, what to expect? The upcoming BUMS Airdrop is one of the most anticipated events in the crypto gaming community. It's designed to reward the game's early adopters and most active players by distributing free BUMS tokens, which will play a central role in the game's ecosystem and trading economy. Purpose of the airdrop. This airdrop serves as the initial distribution phase of the BUMS token, marking the beginning of its transition into a fully tokenized economy. By rewarding loyal players with tokens, the developers hope to foster a strong, engaged community while ensuring early liquidity and adoption. Eligibility and participation. To qualify for the airdrop, players need to engage with the game regularly, complete tasks, and accumulate points. The more active a player is during the lead-up to the airdrop, the greater their potential rewards. Referral activities and participation in community events may also enhance eligibility. More detailed instructions on how to register for the airdrop and connect your crypto wallet will be released via the game's official Telegram channel and website, so make sure to follow those platforms for the latest updates. Token Generation Event (TGE). The Token Generation Event (TGE) is a pivotal moment in the BUMS project roadmap. This event marks the official launch of the BUMS token into the market. During the TGE, the tokens distributed during the airdrop will become tradable on various cryptocurrency exchanges. The TGE is not only about making the token available, it's about creating market liquidity, enabling players and investors alike to buy, sell, and trade BUMS tokens freely. This moment is also expected to drive a surge in new players joining the game, hoping to get in early on a potentially valuable token. Listing date and exchange access. Although the exact date for the token's exchange listing has not yet been confirmed, the developers have indicated that it will align closely with the TG, both scheduled for Q1 of 2025. Behind the scenes, the BUMS development team is actively working to secure listings on multiple major exchanges. This means that once the token is live, users should have immediate access to liquidity and trading opportunities across several trusted platforms. Stay tuned to BUMS official communication channels, as more detailed information regarding exchange partnerships and launch dates will be released in the coming weeks. How to prepare and maximize your rewards. If you're excited about the BUMS Airdrop and want to make the most of it, here are some steps you can take right now. Download and start playing the game. Join the BUMS minigame on Telegram and begin tapping, earning, and upgrading your character. The sooner you start, the more points you can accumulate before the airdrop. Complete daily challenges. These limited-time missions are a great way to earn extra rewards and points that will likely factor into airdrop eligibility. Invite friends and grow your network. Use the game's referral system to invite others and build your network. The more people you bring in, the more rewards you could earn, both now and when the token goes live. Follow official channels. Make sure you're following the game's official Telegram group, Twitter account, and website to receive real-time updates, including the official airdrop registration process, snapshot dates, and listing news. Conclusion. The BUMS Airdrop is shaping up to be one of the most exciting events in the crypto gaming space in 2025. With its unique theme, engaging gameplay, and a strong focus on rewarding player loyalty, BUMS is proving that play-to-earn games can be both fun and financially rewarding. Whether you're a seasoned crypto veteran or new to the world of blockchain games, now is the perfect time to dive into BUMS. Start tapping, earn points, and secure your place in what could be one of the next big success stories in Web3 gaming.